And this week, we're going to talk very briefly about DevKit Weekly, the past, the present, and the future. Hello, developers. Welcome to a very special episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design and your host here on DevKit Weekly. And this week, we're going to talk very briefly about DevKit Weekly, the past, the present, and the future. First of all, a huge welcome to all of the new folks who've subscribed to our channel here over the last couple of months. We are so happy and grateful to have fully doubled our follower count, our subscriber count in so short a time. And that's, of course, entirely thanks to you. We're a growing channel and we know we have all of you to thank for that. So thank you so much for all the sharing and subscribing and following that you've been doing. Secondly, I'm sure some of you have noticed that DevKit Weekly has, for the first time in a long time, become a weekly show again. And we're trying to keep that pace up, but it is going to be hard. In order to be truly weekly, I need to take a look at 52 boards a year, as I'm sure you can tell, and that's a lot. So I am going to be recording as many as I can when I get a chance to travel out to trade shows and exhibitions like NVIDIA GTC, Embedded World in Germany, and Sensors Expo, and Embedded World North America, which is coming up November 4 to 6 in Anaheim, and I'll be there. And all of that recording on site helps a lot, but I mostly rely on folks reaching out to offer me a board to use on DevKit Weekly. So that's why I'm here with this message today. I'm inviting you all to reach out to me and send me your dev kits and boards if you have them, if you're selling them, if you're making them. If you'd like to have your board reviewed, just send me an email at ken.briota@opensysmedia.com. You can find that down in the doobly-doo description down below, so you don't need to worry about it right now, and we will talk about how to get your board on DevKit Weekly. It's not really much more to say, except to repeat my thanks and to encourage you all to share these videos. Comment your thoughts if you've used the boards that we're taking a look at, because of course, we're just doing unboxings, we're just looking at them. And I'd love to hear your suggestions in the comments for boards that you'd like to see on the show. If you're curious about them, I can reach out to the makers and see what they can do. One last thing, we're going to be taking a break from DKW, DevKit Weekly, for the month of August, but we're going to be back like Terminators in September, so keep those notifications on. As always, please like and share this video, and make sure that you're subscribed so you never miss an episode. To keep up with all the news in the embedded computing space, make sure you visit us at embeddedcomputing.com every day and follow us on our socials, especially LinkedIn. That's where most of our activity happens. The links to all that is down in the description. I'd like to plug our weekly news show in case you missed it, Embedded Insights. That happens on Fridays, but that's it for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota with Embedded Computing Design. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next edition of DevKit Weekly.